Arnica montana tablet is a herbal medicine derived from the Arnica montana plant. It contains active compounds like sesquiterpene lactones, flavonoids, and essential oils. Arnica montana tablets are a homeopathic remedy commonly used for various conditions, particularly for relieving muscle pain, inflammation, and bruising caused by minor injuries or overexertion. Indications: Arnica montana tablets are indicated for the relief of symptoms associated with minor injuries, bruises, sprains, and muscle soreness. It is often used as a complementary remedy for soft tissue trauma. How to use: for adults and children over 2 years old. Dissolve 5 pellets under the tongue 3 times a day or as directed by a healthcare professional. For children under 2 years old, consult a healthcare professional before use. Contraindications: Arnica montana tablets should not be used internally in undiluted form or on broken skin. Do not use the tablets if you are allergic to Arnica montana or other members of the Asteraceae compositive family. Avoid using Arnica montana tablets on open wounds, mucous membranes, or eyes. Special instructions: Arnica montana is for oral use only. Dissolve the pellets under the tongue. Avoid eating, drinking, or brushing your teeth 15 minutes before and after taking the tablets to allow absorption. Do not exceed the recommended dosage or frequency of use. Consult a healthcare professional before using Arnica montana in children, pregnant or breastfeeding women, or individuals with chronic medical conditions. Side effects: Arnica montana is generally safe when used as directed. However, some individuals may experience mild allergic reactions such as skin irritation or rash. In rare cases, high doses or prolonged use of Arnica montana may cause dizziness, stomach upset, or other adverse effects. Discontinue use and seek medical attention if you experience any severe or unusual side effects. Please note that Arnica montana tablets are a homeopathic remedy, and while they are generally considered safe for oral use, internal use should be done with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Always read the product label and follow the manufacturer's instructions. If you have any concerns or questions about using Arnica montana tablets, consult with a qualified healthcare provider before starting any treatment.